Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about Agile project lifecycle, like what exactly the Agile lifecycle is. The Agile project lifecycle consists of iterative and incremental phases that focus on continuous delivery, adaptation and improvement. Unlike the traditional linear project lifecycle, Agile breaks down the project into smaller, manageable iterations or sprints, allowing teams to deliver working solutions frequently and respond to change quickly. Here is an overview of the key stages of the Agile project lifecycle. The stages are like planning, designing, developing, testing, deploy, and review. It also means that concept, planning, iteration, execution, review, release, and closure. Here are the brief idea about all the stages. Like the first one is concept. The goal of the concept is defining the project vision, high level scope, and project objectives. Identify stakeholders, business goals, and key requirements. Develop a product backlog, a prioritized list of features or tasks. Create a high-level roadmap and initial project plan. The deliverables are like product vision statement, initial product backlog, roadmap. The second one is planning, like to release the plan. Plan the first iteration and break down the high priority features into actionable tasks. Prioritize the product backlog. Define iteration goals and scope for the upcoming sprint. Estimate tasks and allocate resources. Deliverables are iteration backlog, a set of tasks for the sprint. The second one is definition of done, like DOD criteria. The third one is iterative development or iteration execution. Develop and deliver working software incrementally within each iteration. The team works on tasks in short cycles, usually like 1 to 4 weeks. Continuous collaboration between developers, testers, and stakeholders. Daily stand-up meetings to monitor progress and address read blocks. Regular integrations and testing to ensure quality. Like deliverables are like working softwares at the end of each sprint. Sprint burn downs charts to track progress. The fourth one is review. And the goal of the review is inspect and adapt the product and processes. Sprint review. Present the working product to stakeholders and gather feedback. Sprint retrospective. Reflect on what went well, what didn't, and how to improve in the next iteration. The deliverables are like stakeholder feedback, actionable improvement plan. Now the fifth one is release deployment. Deliver the product to users and ensure it meets business objectives. Deploy the increment to production if it meets the definition of done. Collect user feedback for future iteration. Deliverables are like a release, product increment, or update backlog for future enhancement. The last one is like closure, if applicable. Agile product may not have a defined closure phase in the traditional sense. Instead of that, the product evolves continuously. However, the product reaches maturity or business goals are met. The project can transition into a maintenance phase or be formally closed. There are some key activities which are to be done: documentation, lesson learned, final release. I hope all the stages are clear to everyone. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.